Hello everyone, I'm Xiao He. Let's try this snack today, a very popular street food, tornado potato. One of the ingredients we use today is the tornado potato from Jack&King's. We can take a look. The potato is shaped like the tornado, exactly what its name says. Let's taste it. Let's cook next. No need to thaw. Place it in hot oil at 320 to 347 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Or if you have an air fryer, you can set the air fryer to 347 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry for about 10 minutes. This is called tornado potato. The surface of the fried tornado potato is golden, very appetizing. We can, according to our taste, choose the seasoning. Let's use ketchup this time. We can taste it after sprinkling the sauce. The layer is very crispy. The tornado potato of Jack&King's made by a whole potato. The shape is very completely and beautiful. It's nice and delicious. Everyone hurry up and try it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Jack&King's, a taste of China, anytime, anywhere.